I think what good leaders provide is the vision and the ability for organizations and communities to go to the next level. If you look at, as an example, the team of people that was put together to get the designation for Peoria to be the All-American City, many of the people that were involved in that were recognized as 40 leaders under 40 at one time.
Leadership to me is being able to surround yourself with people who get the job done and you all work together for the greater good. And really a great leader is somebody who is able to hire and find people who are great to work with, and everyone has the same goal and they get it done.
What I like about the award is that it's not the same old people that get recognized a lot. It's a lot of people who kind of do their business, volunteer behind the scenes. They're not always out front, very public people, and they kind of get an opportunity to be recognized for all the efforts that help to make our community great.
You know, there were some great friendships made throughout that night, but it was also nice to be able to be in a room, as it is every year with the 40 under 40, and really get to see the cross fabric that is not only Peoria, but the whole Peoria area, because what's honored in that room is not just the city, but really the whole region.
I was excited as well. I mean, having worked in the junior league for several years and seeing a lot of the women that I really respected and looked up to and were mentors to me receive it in the years prior, when I received the award, I was honored.
When you see some of the leaders that came before you and seeing those names on the screen and those pictures, and then knowing my name was going to be on the screen in the future, it was an honor to say my name is being mentioned with these other leaders. And so that was refreshing for me.
The nice thing about that is it allowed those in the community that are in their own field to see and meet similar folks in different fields. And we don't get a lot of opportunity on a professional level to interact and kind of cross-pollinate in that way. So my favorite memory of that evening was to be able to talk to folks that were in politics and business and manufacturing and logistics, as opposed to folks that, like me, were just in medicine all the time.
It's a group you kind of want to be a part of, you know, and it's been an award, I think, in the community the last several years that people get excited about every fall.
So really, I was on the beginning part of those groups the first several years. And I thought, well, I hope this will catches on. I hope this has some life to it.